All right, boys and girls, let's do day 4 math, solving each problem. Number 1, if we have 26 minus 9, okay, that means we start with 26 and we take 9 away. 9 is really close to 10, so I'm gonna go ahead and take 10 away. 26 minus 10, I know easy, is 16, and then I'm just gonna add 1 back, right? Because I took away 1 too many. So I know that's 17. A way you can check your answer is to think about 26 and taking 9 away. I only took away 6 here. I need to take away 3 more. So I know I have this 20. I'm gonna break up this 10 and make it 10 ones so that I can take away 3 more. This was 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm left with 7 here and 10 here, and 10 plus 7 is 17. Number 2, $2 plus $1.25. Okay, I picture $2 bills here. That's my $1 here, $1. And then I picture $1 and a quarter, because this is 25 cents. So this is what I picture in my brain, and I know that that is $3.25. You can also add these just like you would decimals. So, 0 hundredths and 5 hundredths is 5 hundredths. 0 tenths and 2 tenths is 2 tenths. 2 whole and 1 whole is 3 whole. So 3.25. Either one is fine with me. This little symbol here for number 3 is telling us to divide. This is the same as saying 40 divided by 8. Okay, those are the same thing. So if you know so many 8, let's see. If you know that there are 8 groups of something equals 40, you can use your multiplication facts to help you. 8 groups of what is 40? And if you're not quite sure, you can draw a picture. So I have 8 groups, and I've got 40. I know I can put, I know I can put at least 4 in each one, because I know that 8 groups of 4 is 32. So I know that I can put at least 4. So that would be 40 minus 32 gives me 8. And I know I have 8 more for 8 groups. That's just 1 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I take away my 8, I got 0 left. And then I know in one group is 5. Okay. 8 groups of 5 is 40. Number 4. 32 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 groups of something equals 32. Now I know, because I used it up here, that 8 groups of 4, let's see, where can I write that? 8 groups of 4 is 32, which tells me that 4 groups of 8 is also 32. So I know that this answer should be 8. If I'm not sure, as always, we can draw a picture. We've got 4 groups, and I've got 32. I know I can't do 10 in each group, because that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, and that's too much. So maybe 5. If I do 5 in each group, okay, that's 5, 10, 15, 20. Maybe I'll try 2 in each group. That would be 22, 24, 26, 28, and I'm trying to get to 32, so 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That's just 4 left, and I have 4 groups, so I'll just put 1 in each group. And in each one of my groups now, I have 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is 8. Number 5, 6 tens plus 4 ones. Should be super easy for you. You know 6 tens is 60, 4 ones is 4, and 60 plus 4 is 64. Number 6, 7 groups of something is 28. 7 groups of something is 28. If you know your multiplication facts, you might know that 7 groups of 4 is 28. If you do not know your multiplication facts, you can flip this, switch it to division. You know that 28 total is the same as 7 groups of something. So you know 28 divided into 7 groups equals that same something. As usual, here's my picture. I know that 7 times 2 is 14, so I can definitely put 2 in each one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And I know that 28 minus 14 gives me 14 left. And if I have 14 left, I just figured out that if I put 2 in each one, that's 14. So I can do that again. Hope you can see that, yeah. To get to 28. So now I just need to know what's in one group. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is the answer. Number 7, what is the term or the word that means amount of space inside a container? The word that means the amount of space inside a container is volume. Number 8, how many quarts is equal to 1 gallon? You might not know this, but let's look at this. In the word quarts, what word do you hear, or what sounds do you hear that are maybe similar to something else you know? Hopefully you said quart or quarter, and in quarter or a quarter of something, that's 1/4 of something. How many quarters or how many 1/4 does it take to get to 1 whole? 4. So 4 quarts is the same as 1 gallon. Number 9, name this shape. Well, we're going to name it by counting its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shape has 5 sides? Pentagon. And number 10, 1/10 of 20 is 2. So what is 3/10 of 20? Ooh, so if 1/10 is 2, 3 of those would be 3 groups of 1/10. We know 1/10 is the same as 2. So if we put 2 in there instead, that would be 3 groups of 2, which is 6. So 3/10 of 20 is the same as 6. Let us know your questions. Let us know if you solved something in a different way, or if you just kind of want to talk about some of the math that we did here.